Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, January 24th, 2020. Well, we made it through the week. Now we're getting ready for the weekend. And of course, we have a storm that's on the way. Now, I want to be very, very careful here with what I am going to say with respect to ice for portions of northeastern Pennsylvania and northwestern New Jersey. The National Weather Service has put out a winter weather advisory for those locations for basically a quarter to a half an inch of ice. I don't have any model data to support that forecast, but I want you to know that it's out there and to prepare accordingly. My forecast is more like a trace to a tenth, which is still tomorrow morning going to be a slick and hazardous period of weather for travel, but I don't see a half an inch of ice in any of the guidance at this time. So I want to make that very, very clear when I'm taking a look at the forecasts that are showing up from the National Weather Service, which has a bunch of great guys. As you can tell, I'm going out of my way to make sure not to create some sort of war, as social media often does. So temperatures this morning range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over much of the region. Notice your dew points are also pretty close to your temperatures with high pressure in place. So not exactly an exceedingly dry air mass in any way, shape, or form. Winds are from the northeast around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Those will veer to the southwest as we move on through the day today as high pressure pushes off the coast. When we take a look at our surface map, you can see high pressure is pushing off the coast. Here's our storm organizing over the mid-Mississippi River Valley and heading towards the eastern Great Lakes. On the satellite picture, you can see very impressive storm organizing over the mid-Mississippi River Valley. And what's going to happen is that the upper level low here is going to track up towards the eastern Great Lakes and then off towards the Gulf of Maine. That's going to spawn a secondary low-pressure system around Virginia. It's going to track up through New Jersey and head towards basically Boston. That's going to lead to some heavy rainfall throughout the region for tomorrow, with anywhere from a half an inch to an inch and a half of rain expected. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for increasing cloud cover, temperatures rising into the upper 40s to lower 50s. For tonight, look for increasing cloud cover. Showers will start to organize from southwest to northeast, and some of those showers will feature freezing rain over northeastern Pennsylvania and northwestern New Jersey. Temperatures tomorrow morning will range from the lower to mid 30s over the interior and mid to upper 30s along the coast. By the time we get to the afternoon hours, everyone is over to rain, and that rain is very heavy, looking at anywhere from a half an inch to an inch and a half of rain. This is going to be basically a solid wall of rain marching from southwest to northeast with the cold front, occluded front, and that wave of low pressure that's going to be developing. Temperatures will rise into the upper 30s to mid 40s over the interior and mid 40s to lower 50s along the coast as the storm lifts through. On Sunday, the low pressure system continues to intensify in the Gulf of Maine. Look for a scattered cloud cover, a bit windy. Look for also a threat for a few snow showers and maybe a snow squall too, especially around eastern Pennsylvania. Okay, that's going to come in from these lake effect snow bands. They're going to be coming off of Lake Ontario and Lake Erie, and a few of those snow bands with all these little short waves rotating around will be capable of dropping a quick dusting of snow in some locations, but temperatures are going to be rising into the 40s by the time we get to the highs. Temperatures on Sunday range from the upper 20s to mid 30s for lows and mid 40s for highs. On Monday, high pressure will be in control with clear skies. Look for lows in the lower 30s, highs in the mid 40s. Tuesday, a weak cold front moved through with scattered clouds. Otherwise, look for temperatures to range from the upper 20s for lows and lower 40s for highs. On Wednesday, look for a scattered cloud cover. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 20s for lows and mid to upper 30s for highs. On Thursday, scattered cloud cover once again with just a few weak cold fronts passing through, nothing significant at all. Look for lows in the mid 20s, highs in the upper 30s. And on Friday, look for scattered cloud cover with an area of low pressure organizing off the coast. We could see some rain and snow showers by the evening, especially right along the coast here. We're going to have to watch very carefully. Look for lows in the mid to upper 20s, highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s. That is your forecast discussion for today. If you like this forecast, please like, share, and subscribe. Let your friends and family know where you get the weather information that you trust. Have a wonderful weekend, and as always, stay safe out there.